Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a what's in my bag video. So the last one that I did was right before like the lockdown, and it's been a good 2 years I believe at this point that I've done a video like that, and I've been carrying this bag right here which I've been loving. This is a nude bag that I picked up from H&M. The other day when I checked H&M, this was available online, so I'm going to link it down below for you guys. But it's been such a good bag to me. I think I've been using this for 2 months at this point. It's a nude bag, so it goes with literally everything that I wear. And as you can see, it's pretty big, so I can literally throw everything. I literally throw my entire life in this bag and go around. So yeah, let me quickly show you what I carry around with me in my bag. Okay, so I think let's start with the accessories. I have like a few things dangling on the handle. So the first thing that I have right here is a sanitizer dispenser. This I got from Bath and Body Works along with the matching sanitizer. And this is just really good if you want to sanitize your hands really quickly and you don't want to like put your contaminated hands inside the bag. So you can quickly sanitize your hands and then like move on with your day. Other than that, the second thing that I have, which is again easy access, is a pepper spray. So this is a keychain wala pepper spray. I'll obviously make sure to link everything that I can find online in the description box below. This again, I feel like everyone should have. Instead of having a pepper spray inside your bag, I think it's really handy to have it like right here, so that when you need it, you literally can just grab it. And then the third thing that I have is again like a safety thing almost. So this is a torch. Like so, as you can see, it's really important to have a torch in my opinion. Now I've never really had to use this torch in my life, but I just think it's nice to have. Other than that, this is also like a SOS alarm system almost. So in case you're caught up in a situation wherein you need to attract attention immediately, you need to make some sort of noise, this is what it does. I'm gonna warn you, if you're wearing headphones, please lower the volume because this is loud. So basically you can just pull this and it creates like a super loud noise. There are like a few different features that this comes with, so I will definitely recommend getting one of these. And it's pretty cute. Like when you look at it, no one can really tell what this is. It's very concealed almost. That's the word that I was looking for. Like you can't tell when you look at it, but I think it's a nice thing to have. Now moving on to what's inside my bag. Now this bag comes with absolutely no compartments, which is something that I am not the biggest fan of. There's only one little zip inside, so I'm going to start from there. So in the tiny little zip, we have two things. We have some sanitizer. So we have a liquid sanitizer and then we have a spray sanitizer. This is for surfaces, my phone. In case I go to like a restaurant, I like to like spray down the table before I like lay all of my stuff on it. So these are the two things that I have. Then I have a bunch of pouches. I personally like to like organize everything in pouches in general. Also, like when I'm traveling also, I love having everything in pouches because it just makes my life so much easier. Even similarly in my bag, I like to have pouches to categorize everything. So I have a total of 4 pouches. I'm gonna go through all 4 of them. By the way, these pouches did come in a set of I think 5 or 6 canvas pouches. I'll make sure to link them in the description box below. You obviously don't need to have coordinated same looking pouches. You can just go for the pouches that you already have at home. And I personally feel like if you have different color ke pouches, it's gonna make more sense in your head to like reach out to that pouch for that particular category, if that makes any sense, because all of these look the same. So I have a little bit of a hard time trying to figure out kisme kya hai. Okay, anyway, moving on with this first pouch, which is I feel like the most important pouch. So in this I keep a bunch of my pee buddies. So basically these are peeing funnels. For the longest time I would just hold in my pee. I would not pee outside my house. I would only and only pee in my bathroom, but obviously that's not a good thing for you. That is when these funnels come in place. So you can open up these funnels and you can pee standing up, and that's how you will not get any sort of UTIs, any sort of infections. And then the second thing that we have in here are these surgical masks. I have a bunch of masks in here. I think I'm going to switch out these surgical masks for N95s because it's being said that N95 masks are way more effective as compared to a surgical mask. So that's what I'm going to do next. But I like to have a bunch of these masks in my bag because there have been times when I'm eating and I end up dropping the mask on the floor and then I'm left with no mask, so it's nice to have some backup masks in your bag. Then this is the next pouch. This I feel like is my most used pouch because this has my life in it. I have a little bit of everything in here. So I have a pack of tissues. This I had actually recently removed from my bag thinking कि tissues कभी काम में नहीं आते life में. ऐसे ही हम bag में लेके घूमते हैं. But the day I removed it, I ended up needing tissues that day. So I just like to keep one small pack in the bag just in case. Then I have one of the most important things, which is a perfume. So this is the perfume that I've been recently carrying around with me. This is a new perfume from Mamaearth. This is a EDP, so it's very, very concentrated and very, very strong. And this is called Uniquely Me. Now the reason why it's called Uniquely Me is because when this mixes with your body oils, your body chemistry, it secretes a very different, a very unique signature scent almost for you. And also this is India's first Made Safe certified fragrance. So every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of their Plant Goodness initiative. Okay, so just taking a small break from the actual video, I thought that we should spray this on ourselves because when I first heard of this concept, I was very intrigued, but I was not convinced. So we decided to spray this on ourselves and to actually see if it's like different on different people. So we sprayed this, I think like 5-10 minutes pehle on ourselves, and let's just smell it on ourselves and then on like each other. So from me, I can definitely smell more floral, and from him, I can smell more musky. So basically, this perfume is supposed to combine with your oils, like your natural oils, and then create a unique scent for you. I can actually say this for a fact, he can agree as well, right? You can actually smell like the difference. Obviously, the basic note is the same, but there's like a variation in it. So I'm very happy with this perfume. Are you happy?
Yeah, it's nice.
And it's unisex, by the way. Men and women both can wear it. Now, if I had to explain this scent to you, I would say it's very fresh. That's like the first word that comes to my mind. Aqua. And I will say one more thing, it's very daytime and nighttime appropriate. This also lasts up to 12 hours. So in case you want to try this fragrance out for yourself, you can use my code MRIDU2022 for a 20% off on mamaearth.in. Other than that, you can also check this perfume out on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Or of course, you can check this out on the Mamaearth's app as well, which I will be linking down in the description box below. Then we have some lens solution and lens ki dibbi. I personally wear lenses, so I need to have some solution and a case in my bag because in case my eyes get dry, in case my eyes get tired, I just want to remove them. So I need to have something to put them in. Then I have a lip balm. Again, this was something that I recently added in my bag. It is a little bit colder and my lips have been getting chapped, so this I need. This is in the Upton variant. I really like this one. Then I have a nail glue. I do have like acrylic nails on right now, but kabhi-kabhi acrylic nails bhi gir jate hain, and on the spot chipkane ke liye this is a nice backup to have. Then I have a foot cream. Now this obviously is meant for your foot, but I like to use it even sometimes on my hands or my like legs if I'm feeling a little bit dry. It's just nice to have, like in case you're wearing a dress or shorts, thoda sa knees pe laga lo to look a little bit less crusty. Okay, moving on to the next pouch. This is my electronics pouch. So what I have in here is, the first thing that I have is my charger. This is a fast charger and it's very expensive, but it's so worth it. I was gifted this on my birthday, but if I were to like buy it, I wouldn't regret it afterwards also. So I love it, and my phone is always dead, like perpetually. It's like under 10%, so I need a fast charger in my life. Then we have my AirPods, again something that is overpriced. It's like an overpriced Apple product, but again so worth it. We have this cute little case on it. This was gifted to me by Haley in one of our mystery boxes. Now I feel like the only thing missing in this pouch is a portable charger. I really need to go get a portable charger. If you guys have any recommendations for me, please let me know in the comments down below, because I want to get one for my bag. And if you have like cute ones, please let me know, like a cute like pink one or like a blue one, something like that will be appreciated. And then the last pouch that I have in my bag is my emergency pouch. So this just has a bunch of different things which I might need in like an emergency situation. First thing in here is a pad. I've needed this so many different times, so I always make sure to have a pad. If I don't need it, someone else always ends up needing a pad. Then similarly, we have some panty liners. Again, something that you might need, so it's just nice to have in your bag. Similar to that, we have my periods ka dawa. This is what I have. Then we have some band-aids. Again, pretty like self-explanatory why someone would need band-aids. Then I have some sugar sachets in my bag in case kisi ka BP low ho gaya. It's just nice to have like sugar, so you can directly like pop it in your mouth and it's instantly going to help you. I've never ended up needing this in my life, but I just like to have it. I've like picked these up from like a Starbucks and like I've added these to my bag. Then I have a toothbrush, very random. I used to end up using this a lot pre-COVID because I feel like I used to be a lot more spontaneous. Pehle, like I would just go to my cousin's place and stay over. I would go to a friend's place and stay over. And obviously सबके घर पे toothbrush होता है, extra toothbrush, but it's nice to have your own one, right? So this is why I have this in my bag. Then I have an emergency snack in my bag in case I get like super hungry. This is what I can have. This is a yoga bar protein bar, blueberry pie flavor mein. Not the yummiest thing in the world, but it's very filling. And then the last thing that I have is this fabric roll-on. Like basically you can just like put a little bit, like I think 4 drops on your clothes, and it's supposed to repel mosquitoes. When I added this in my bag, I didn't think that I would end up needing it or using it, but I have used it quite a few times. So those were the 4 pouches in my bag. Moving back into my bag, we just have like a few random items in the bag. So the first thing that I have is this claw clip. I love this clip. I get these from Amazon. These come in a bunch of different colors. Just so handy to like tie your hair. I travel a lot in the rickshaw, so I like to tie my hair up instantly when I'm in the rickshaw, or just in general also you need like a clip or something like that. So this is what I use and I love. Then I have my wallet. This is actually something that came in PR, like this pouch, and I just thought it was so cute, so I just store a little bit of cash and my driver's license. Yeah, that's all that I carry. I'm for the most part cashless, but there have been a few times wherein I needed cash and I didn't have it, so I like to have like 100-200 rupees max in here. Try to like do Google Pay, ya fir I like to pay with card for the most part. Even when I buy like fruit, like 20 rupees ka fruit, that is also when I'll do Google Pay. Even rickshaw walas accept Google Pay. So I'm very cashless like that, but just in case I need my wallet, I have it with me. Then I have my keys, just all different types of keys, studio keys, ghar ka keys, car keys, whatever. And then there's this little poof keychain that I got from H&M. Now the reason why I have this poof is because if I'm looking for my keys, I just need to look for this big fur ball, and once I find this fur ball, I'll have my keys with me. So yeah, very handy, a very handy hack. I have my lens case, sorry, my specs case. I do wear glasses, as I mentioned earlier, so these are my spare glasses that I like to carry with me in my bag. One of the most important things in my bag is this mint. So this is by Icebreakers, and this is in the cool mint flavor. I love it. It's so tasty. I anyway love anything minty, so I like to have like a few of these. If you have like bad breath, obviously this is handy, but I like to have this more like a snack. Like if I'm bored, I'll just reach out to this and like pop one in my mouth. Okay, and then the last 3 things that I have in my bag are books. So the first one is the book that I'm reading. This is called Atomic Habits. I've only started reading it like today, so I don't have much to say about this book. Then we have my notebook. So this is our Simba Lifestyle notebook. Since it's the new year, it's 2022, I decided to start a fresh new notebook. It's so crisp and so nice. I'm so excited to start writing in this new notebook. And then we have our planner. So this is the 2022 planner. This also has my little notebook inside, my pen, everything that I need to like plan is in here, and I'm obsessed with it. Again, so excited that I finally get to start using this. This is sold out, and we are not going to be restocking. So it's gone. So if you guys have it, I hope you guys enjoy using it this year. We are coming with a few new products like when it comes to planning, so watch out. And that's basically everything that I carry around with me in my bag. I know I carry a lot in my bag, but I have to travel between like 2 homes. So I like stay at home and then I come to the studio in the morning and then leave at night to go back home. So there's a lot of things that I end up needing, and this bag is like my safe space. I literally like to dump everything in here, and once I have this with me, I don't end up needing anything else. So yeah, this is everything that I carry with me in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to make sure to link everything that I spoke about, or at least try to link everything that I spoke about in today's video in the description box below. So do check it out. And I think that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my first video of 2022. I completely forgot that this was going to be my first video. So I hope you guys are having a great year so far. And subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle. Follow Skion. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.